light on the crowd today, but it's rather.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 555, effective until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. This watch includes the following counties in Kentucky: Anderson, Franklin, Mercer, and Washington. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
From Oakland,